Hello, good afternoon world. Good afternoon mga kachiki. Dito tayo sa labas ng bahay at kami ay lalabas. Today is February 22. That is my birthday. Happy lang tayo kahit wala tayong handa. And thank you Lord at nakarating tayo sa edad na 52. 25 years old. 25 years old. Baliktaran lang ba? So, mga kachiki, kumusta po kayo? Lalabas kami at ititreat nila ako sa aking birthday. Yan. Wala tayo ngayon sa Taiwan. Yung aking mga friends. Alam nila pag birthday ko. Thank you pala sa nag-great sa aking birthday. Lalo na doon sa kay Ate J. Nauuna. Si Ate Mariam. Ang nauuna si Ate J. Yun. Tapos, yun. Yung sino pa? Si Marie. Na nandun sa Japan. Thank you, Marie. Thank you, Ate Mariam. Ate J, thank you. Thank you sa lahat sa nag-great ng aking birthday today sa Facebook. Thank you also sa aking mga family at sa aking mga ladies, 3 Marias. So, thank you sa mga anak ko. Andito po tayo at lalabas tayo. No? Hinihintay ko lang po ang aking mga kasama. Kasi nandito lang po kami. Ay, malapit lang kami sa restaurant. Hindi ko alam kung maglakad lang kami o magsakay. Kaso lang, pag maglakad kami, baka mapandol yung isa. Matalisod. Ay, inupirahan yung paa. Mahirap na. Pero tingnan lang natin kung maglakad kami. Magsakay ng car. Maggamit ng sakyanan. Pero malapit lang po guys. Dito lang ba? Oh. Dito lang oh. Baka dito lang yan oh. Ayan. Dito lang banda oh. Ayan. Lalakarin lang namin. Kaunti. Diyan lang ang restaurant. At saka nakapag-book na kami. Nag-book na si Andrew. Parang dito lang oh. Parang yan lang oh. Kita nyo po yan. Yung parang hotel. Parang dyan lang. Malapit lang po. Diyan lang kami. Maano oh. Mag-alas 6 na. Maano pa yung araw. Mataas pa. So dito lang muna ako maglakad-lakad kasi hinintay ko sila. And thank you for watching guys. And don't forget to subscribe and like naman sa aking YouTube. Sa aking video. Pag nanonood kayo, like na rin ninyo. Para mayroon namang malaman ko naman na nagustuhan nyo. O kaso lang no, pag hindi nyo nagustuhan, hindi naman talaga kayo nagla-like. Ganon lang yun. Pero, i-like naman nyo. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. And thank you Lord. Thank you guys sa nanonood. Pabalik-balik ba? Magsirang plaka. Hindi. Masaya lang tayo ngayon kasi birthday natin. Ha? Tinawag ako guys. Sorry? Come on. Balikan ko kayo mamaya guys. Gutom na kami guys. Punta na kami. Dito lang kami sa likod dadaan. Kaya pala tinawag mo. Let's go!
Oh, happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday to me! Punta na kami guys.
Oh, look at you! Don't you look pretty?
Yes!
Yeah.
Thank you! Si Colon. Itong gamitin namin sakyanan. Sakyanan niya. Sakyan ni Colon.
You better get in the front, birthday girl.
No, I'm here. I'm okay here.
Very kindly took his golf clubs out of the car for you.
Huh?
He took his golf clubs out of the car for you.
Yeah.
That's,
I'm here. You there?
yeah,
Okay.
all right.
Ay. I'm okay here. Ayan po sila. Sa likod dyan sila sa harap. Ako dito sa likod. Punta na tayo, guys.
If you can't get aboard, get a brick.
Ano muna tayo, sinturon kasi bawal dito na walang saglit lang.
Dad,
Doon na tayo.
we stayed at Mildura
Doon na tayo.
where the Elstell steamers are.
Maganda ang weather.
And
Hindi gaano mainit.
we thought
Malamig
about
ngayong araw na
doing it, but
kayo. Ngayon lang kami
me, and the
lumalabas.
point A to point B rush, man.
Yeah.
Pero ang weather kasi dito pabago-bago.
And it is
Alas
a-
6 na
it
dito
is
pero
a,
mataas pa yung araw.
patience and
Oh,
Hello.
time.
hang on, I'm wrong. I did. Mildura.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. We hired one of those, whatever you call them.
Down there. Yeah. Kind of
Mano
like
talaga sa araw
Yeah.
eh.
That wasn't steam.
no, banana.
No, just a little one with a little couple of little 18 horse power bloody
Yeah,
motors on
put that
it.
on there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh,
Serenic-
mate, that
Serenic Club.
you go right up to what's the old pub and river that been towards Pinjarra there?
Yan lang tayo
Yeah, the
guys.
Murray
So,
there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
lapit
Murray
lang.
River,
Yeah.
Pinjarra, yeah.
Dito lang.
And we just moored up there.
Sabi ko dito lang tayo.
Yeah,
eh.
yeah, yeah. Ah, that's very nice, excellent.
Dito lang kami guys.
Good.
Pwede rin lakarin. Kaso lang hindi
Hey,
pwede
have a look at all
maglakad
the
ng
parking spots they left.
ito hindi pwede maglakad ng malayo. Ayan, nandito na sila. Dito lang kami guys. So, dito lang kami kakain ng hapunan. Tinitreat nila ako ng birthday. Pang birthday.
Hey?
Ay! Dito po kami sa restaurant na to. Very near lang. Dito sa bahay.
Hi. Hi.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi! That is video.
Boy, is that a new shirt? That's a nice shirt.
Bisita ko. Ano lang sila, 4. Pang 5 lang. 5 lang kami guys.
This is over 20-year-old. It's a nice shirt, though, isn't it? You can have it if you want it.
Hingay ng mga ibon dito.
Nice, yeah.
Gutom na kami.
I should put long trousers on. You make me feel bad, man. This bloody camel.
Say hi my video. Psst. Andrew, say hi. Hi my
Hi.
vlog. Oh,
Hi.
hi. Hi. Hi to me. Hi to me. Let's go. Ha? Guys, ang ganda ng music nila. May music. May nagkakanta po. Guys. Ang ganda. Dito kami kakain. Ayan, no. May singer sila guys. Dati wala.
Baby, I
That is video. Video.
with you must be my
Ito po
heart.
ang bisita namin. Ang bisita ko pala. Mga friends.
Listen to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I am better.
Kain po kami. May kumanta po o singer.
She looks
Kain po tayo.
perfect.
Today is my birthday.
With him, yeah.
Man in Reno, just to watch him.
Got some small plates coming, Andrew. I've got
Plate.
some small plates
When
coming.
I hear that whistle blow, I'll hail that fright.
Oh, sorry. Not that.
I wanna know
Oh, stuff.
You don't like crazy music. You don't like rock bands. You just wanna go to a show. Sit there holding hands to your soul.
May singer kami dito.
Maybe I don't care. I don't know why my heart skips. Only who it does. I don't know why I love you, babe. That's rock and roll. Oh, come on, everybody get down and get with it. Come on, everybody get down and get with it. Come on, everybody get down. That's rock and roll. It's when smoking up and heat up culture. Hearts pounding right, rock and roll.
Well, up there, everywhere.
Oh, come on, everybody get down and get with it. Come on, everybody get down and get with it. Come on, everybody get down. That's rock and roll. And if you feel it, got your hands. The season sweat over boys in the band. Now let me hear ya. Let me hear ya. That's rock and roll. Oh, come on, everybody get down and get with it, get with it. Come on, everybody, come on, everybody get down, that's rock and roll. Oh, come on, everybody get down and get with it. Come on, everybody get down and get with it. Come on, everybody get down, that's rock and roll.
I'll get into the second hole, and the swear will start clubbing up to the ground. Yeah. But it doesn't happen at the first.
Uwi na tayo. Uwi na tayo guys. Tapos na ang aming dinner celebration sa birthday. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Right, see you
Good
guys. Thanks for coming.
night. Oh, malamig guys. Uwi na kami. Ilalamig na ako. Let's go home. Good evening guys. Nandito na po tayo sa kwarto. Nakarating na po tayo sa bahay, no. At ngayon buksan natin yung ating regalo na bigay nila ng mga friend ko dito sa Australia. Buksan natin guys. Mary. From Mary. To Mary. Wow, cute. Wishing you wonderful birthday. Yan guys. O, diba? Basahin natin guys. Uy. Saturday Lotto. Uy. Guys, binigyan ako ng loto. Sana may manalo tayo dito, oh. Kasama sa card. Yan, oh. Bulat to. Kailang Saturday daw. Bukas, guys. Ay, ngayon. Ngayon, ang ano pala nito. Bula, guys. Binigyan ako ng card. Birthday. Tapos may loto pa. Sana manalo tayo, guys. Saturday. Ang dami nito. Ang dami number. Ilang bula ito? $15. 15.10 cents. Mahal to guys. Ay. Di na lang cash binigay. Malay mo, no? Kahit hindi cash, loto, ticket. Kung mamanalo ako dito, di mahigit pa sa $15 ang binili niya dito. So, basahin natin guys yung birthday. Ano nakalagay. Salamin mo na ako kasi hindi ko maklaro. Hope your day is filled with lovely things. So, Mary, happy birthday from colon. Yan. Ganda guys. Ganda yung ano niya, oh. Bigay na card. Manalo tayo guys. May ano tayo. Tago natin to kay Bula to ngayon. Bula. Oh, loto. Oh, di ba? Pang birthday. Lagay natin dyan. Baka manalo tayo. Bula ngayon to ngayong gabi. Tapos ito pa. Napaka-simple. Laso-laso pa yan. Oh, na. Ano kaya to guys? Simple. Uy, ang cute. Galing to kay Hilin. Ay, ang cute niya guys. Ang laman nito, bag. Uy, ang cute. Uy. Wow. Hikaw. Wow, thank you very much. Hikaw, guys. Hikaw, ay nako. Under from celisjusting.com Australia. Wow, hikaw. Guys, hikaw guys. Hikaw. Oh. Buksan natin. Na-appreciate kong gift nila. Wow. Hala, may hikaw guys. Ihikaw ko na to. Ang cute. Uy! No, nalaglag. Nalaglag. Ang cute. Ang cute. Wow, ang cute. Thank you very much. No, guys, so cute kayo, guys. Hikaw. Oh. Cute kayo, oh. Tapos kasama sa bag na cute din. Cute. Shoulder bag na cute. Oh, di ba? Mo ni akong gift. Mo ni akong gift. Di ba? Thank you so much. Thank you so much na nagbigay ng gift. May hikaw pa. Tapos luto. Diba? Nada guys. Ang cute ng hikaw. Ang cute! May pangbahay na ako. Pang araw-araw. So cute. I like it. Na, suot natin guys. Try natin. Suot natin ang ating regalo. Suot natin. Aray, di mo masuot. Hala, ay masuot guys. Ayaw yata magpasuot. Hala. Ayaw man magpasuot. Uy. Ang sama ni. Ayaw magpasuot. Honey, so very cute. Helen's give to me the gift.
What?
So cute. Earrings.
What you wanted?
Look at this. And bag.
There you go. Yeah, this bag, yeah.
So cute. And also colon. Look at this. How about raffles today? This tonight.
Is it? Saturday night?
Saturday. Oh. Saturday, Lotto. Ay.
Good on you.
Yeah. Nasuot ko na guys. Ito na oh. Ito na oh. Namula yung aking tainga kasi mahirap isuot. Thank you. Diba? Na. Hindi tayo nanalo guys. Na 2 number lang. Hindi tayo nanalo. Okay lang. Na-appreciate ko yung kanilang gift sa akin. Cute. Very cute. Sakit ng tainga ko. Ang cute to. Nang hikaw ko. Yes. Sakit. Pero ang sakit ng tainga ko. Kasi mahirap ipasok yung rosca. Tornilyo. Thank you for watching guys. God bless you all. Bye. Don't forget to like and share my YouTube channel. Good night. And good evening. Good afternoon sa lahat. Good night dito sa Australia. Bye. God bless you all.